Alert Weather.
All right, we'll take a live look right now in Idaho Falls. We got the gusty winds. We got some snow creeping in from the west later tonight. We're already starting to see some of that snow up to places like Stanley and areas of central Idaho. And it's going to get pretty snowy towards Sun Valley tonight through tomorrow. That's good. We need that. But we are going to see some snow here in the valley. It's not going to be a major snowstorm, but it's going to be enough that we might have to get the snow shovel out again and maybe get an inch off the driveway. As we take a live look in Idaho Falls, we got a good wiggle to the camera. We got wind speeds right now well into the teens and 20s at 31 degrees, and with 13-mile-per-hour winds, that takes your wind chill down to a frosty 21. That's what it feels like outside. Elsewhere, we're seeing similar conditions, and we're just slowly starting to saturate the atmosphere. A little bit ago, I was checking in with Boise. They were getting some rain mixed in with snow there along I-84. We're getting more of that wet weather here coming into Twin Falls with scattered showers rotating in here through the Snake River Plain later tonight. And again, most of that wet weather will be heading pretty good into the high country, but just a few passing snow showers locally in the Snake River Plain. Right now, we're just starting to see some more snow getting over the Tetons, over Teton County, Idaho and Wyoming, with some snow right now north of St. Anthony and Ashton along Highway 20 there. As we take a wide view of the satellite radar picture, this is a lot of cold air trying to work down here from the northwest. It's going to take some time though. This cold air really doesn't get overhead here locally until we get into Wednesday. And this is all thanks to a plume of energy that's currently stretching into areas of the northwest. And this is going to be a large system in terms of real estate. It's going from Canada all the way down into California. And we have winter storm advisories and warnings. Winter storm warnings for Island Park. We have winter storm warnings for Stanley, Sun Valley. Mackey's under the advisory category along with the Arco Desert, but you'll notice the Snake River Plain, it's void of any advisories from St. Anthony all the way south to Pocatello and out towards Burley and Rupert. That's because we will get some snow, but only about an inch or two right now with the first round of wet weather. Plus, we're also going to work in some rain by Monday and Tuesday. Here's a look at that Vipercast tomorrow morning about 6 a.m. We'll stop the clock and showing you that we'll be dealing with scattered snow from areas of Salmon all the way into western Wyoming and a rain-snow mix as you go south of Pocatello. We'll look for more of these passing showers in our local mountains with steady snow in the higher elevations. A bit of a break in the wet weather pattern tomorrow afternoon before more wet weather seeps back into the valley for Monday. And you see little blobs of green in there because we are going to be walking that line between rain and snow, especially in the lower elevations. That potent cold front arrives for Tuesday night heading into Wednesday. That's going to drop in some really cold air for Wednesday and Thursday. You'll see that in your 8-day forecast. For tonight, the snow starts to pick up with more intensity overnight through tomorrow morning. We'll have about 1 to 2 inches on average for spots in the Snake River Plain. Look at the higher elevations. By tomorrow morning, we could be getting some good snow in places around Island Park, West Yellowstone. Also check out Stanley. And then watch what happens as we push the clock further into Monday. Start getting those darker purples in the higher elevations. Yeah, we'll see some good snow even back through Driggs, Jackson, and then to areas of the western Wyoming mountains. Wind speeds, a nuisance. Yeah, it's going to be annoying out there. Windy and cold conditions. Even if you're not getting a lot of snow, you have wind speeds well into the teens and 20s here for the next few days. Temperatures at 37 for Montpelier, 36 in Preston, 34 in Lava with a high of 36 towards McCammon. 36 also will be the expected high for Rexburg, but of course it's going to feel colder outside with all that wind and of course the wet weather. 32 for the high in Jackson tomorrow with 40 for Chalice, 43 in Salmon, right at freezing in Arco, and we'll be hanging out into the upper 30s tomorrow for Idaho Falls and Pocatello. Yeah, we'll break above freezing, but it's still going to be quite windy during the day, making it feel like it's going to be below freezing with the wind chills. Temperatures at 41 degrees for Monday in Jackson as we take a look at that 8-day forecast. 42 for Tuesday, and we'll have temperatures tumbling back into the upper 20s by Wednesday. As we go to Salmon, look for highs here, lower 40s for tomorrow and Monday. Upper 30s for Tuesday, and we'll be in the upper 20s by Wednesday. Dropping those temperatures below freezing on the other side of the Tuesday cold front. Blackfoot, you'll see a high here of 42 for Monday, 41 for Tuesday, with numbers into the 20s by Wednesday. Gusty winds continuing for a good chunk of the work week ahead. Rexburg, a high of 40 for Monday, 39 for Tuesday, and 26 on Wednesday. Gusty winds and scattered snow to carry us well into next week with overnight lows into the teens and 20s. Pocatello, a high of 44 for Monday, 43 for Tuesday, upper 20s, lower 30s for Wednesday and Thursday. Overnight lows also getting pretty chilly through next week as well as that cold air settles in from the Gulf of Alaska, taking us below freezing for those daytime highs. Idaho Falls, again, we're going to be fighting that rain and snow line for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Here's what's happening. Highs during the day still getting above freezing. At night, we drop it below freezing or right to the freezing mark, allowing for some snow accumulation. And see that wet weather off and on with those winds, at least for the next few days, carrying all the way through Wednesday and a little bit of Thursday. Linda?
All right, thanks so much, Michael. And a lot of skiers looking forward to that snow headed our way. Spirits and skiers are getting a big lift at the peaks of Burrell Mountain Resort.